on, guys? I'm gonna be getting on this booth. I swept it off the other day with the broom. Today I'm gonna come in here and blow it down. I'm gonna have to replace some of this seam right here. I had used liquid nails. I thought that was gonna be the best bet, but apparently that stuff just cracks, I guess, when you put it too thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some acrylic latex caulk over it and see what I can do with that. Hey guys, I got the booth taped up and I'm fixing to spray the peelable coating on it. There's a big echo in here, so excuse that, and 18-wheelers passing by. But I got all the light windows masked up. I'm actually gonna hit that later after the actual white dries. I'm gonna hit it with some clear. But I have all the top windows, side windows, and the exhaust area masked off. I'm not gonna worry too much about the floor. Whatever gets on there, eventually it'll sweep up. But I'm fixing to mix that booth coat real quick and get spraying it. I picked up the airless from my brother. It should make it a breeze. So let's get it. I was just about to get ready to spray the booth, but I realized that the tip is missing on the airless spray gun. So I just called Sherwin-Williams. In the next town over, I'm going to run over there real quick. And only thing that I did notice, I was doing a little bit of research and I found that the booth coat that I ordered, I thought was the peelable one, but apparently it's not. I ended up just getting a washable one. It's too late now. I've already opened the bucket. I already started mixing it. I was expecting to get the peelable one, but it's still going to work. It's just not the one I expected it to be. I guess if I ever want to remove it, I'm just going to have to go in there and wash it, which I may just put the peelable one over that when it's time to do maintenance again. So, but right now I'm going to go check out this Sherwin-Williams real quick down the road and get that spray tip because I need it to spray this material. All right, I picked it up. This is it right here, little Craco. All right, that's gonna wrap it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you like the video. Consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I highly recommend to do so. I have a lot of videos coming up. I have a lot of projects that I have to drop because I'm trying to catch up from everything that I did in 2021 that I have yet to post it. I have a lot of videos backed up on my computer and I just gotta go through and edit them and stuff like that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I consider subscribing. Please do so. Share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I'm glad y'all tuned into the very end, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.